Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Use Velcro glue the mattress together. Loosen the black handles on both sides of the head. Grasp the headboard and pull it out. Grab the headboard and insert it into the retaining hole. Tighten the black holding handles on both sides. Check for strong connections. Hold down the gas spring handle. Adjust the headboard up and down to the right angle. Loosen and automatically secure the handboard. Release leg plate fastening handle. Hold the leg board with both hands and pull it out. Hold the leg plate with both hands and insert into the mounting hole. Make sure the joint fits tightly. Make sure the leg plates are firmly connected. Rotate the metal handle. Adjust the leg plate in the horizontal direction. Tighten the metal handle after reaching the proper position. Press on the air spring handle. Adjust the leg plate to the right angle. Loosen the air spring handle leg plate to secure. Press down the pedal and release the pedal outwards. Move the operating table into position. Press down the pedal and release the pedal inward. Bring the pedal into the baffle and the lock is complete. Insert the rocker into the corresponding adjustment hole of the bed body and shake the rocker to adjust the waist plate to the appropriate position. Plug the wire controller into the socket, making sure that the socket is aligned with the corresponding groove. Grab the gray outer ring of the plug and pull it out. Press the external power switch indicator light, the controller indicator light at the same time. Press the internal power supply switch, and the controller battery power indicator lights up. When the external power switch and internal power switch are open at the same time, it is the external power supply mode. Long press the unlock button until the indicator light is on and release it to complete the unlock of the accuser. When the unlock key lights up, long press the corresponding action key, and the operating table performs the corresponding specified action. Long press the corresponding action button, the operating table performs the corresponding specified action, and release the button to stop the action. Long press the positive flexion key to complete the operation table. Long press the anti-buckling key to complete the operation table. The unlocking indicator is not lit, and any action on the operating table cannot be performed. When the unlock indicator lights up, press the reset button. The operating table automatically executes the reset command until the reset is completed. The use method is the same as the handheld controller, which requires unlocking the controller before performing the specific actions.